this is around the house. Today I am going to replace the sink for the new Delta system. Alright, I gotta swap the hoses around real quick because the instructions, the little tag here says hot. So what do? I stuck it on hot. And unfortunately, it's backwards. You little asshole. Now I gotta go around the drain. Where are you dripping from? Alright. Well, that's... Am I blind, or did that not say hot? Huh.
And then you just gotta drill a little hole for this?
Yeah, so I can do the... change the...
Because it's got a cover. Looks like.
And do it in here. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Good, don't lose that. You gotta go over here. I hate the fact that this is leaking. I can't shut it off. What's gonna happen next? Come on. Pop. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, go back in there. Hurry up. Take it. Heighten it up, heighten it up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. What, babe?
You forgot something.
No, didn't get any.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
You did too.
What did I forget?
The thing.
What thing? You have three different options for this. If you don't want to use the plate, which covers the two holes, then you use that one there that looks like a donut.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that what you were
Yeah.
referring to? Yep. That's why. Okay, bring it back down. I'm coming in. No, not cold. Oh, you know, I just noticed something. Don't go with what you read. Look up in here. You see, this is blue. That means
Looks like it's
blue. Blue means cold. I didn't even think of that. It's like blue means cold, and I think the other one had red. Tighten up. Hey, what are you doing? Get in there. Tighten up. There we go. And I think the other one had red. That would be a good giveaway, right? Just mean you gotta come back in here to the beginning of this. Alright. right. Go. Oh. I think I'd be getting too old for this. Yeah. Alright, clean that up. Alright. Okay, clean up all the water mess. Open the valves again. Okay. Pull back open again. Okay, I think I'm running out of something or other. So there we go. Back in there. Let me turn the water back on. Make sure there are any leaks again. Babe? Okay. There we go. Now it should be hot now. Ouch. Yes. It's hot. The little finger spinners here. Get out of it. There. Now cool. Good. Alright. Center is warm. Sweet. Okay. So I got leaks. Alright, unfortunately the gear ran out of memory. So we'll finish it up with the phone here. My wife is very OCD, and she noticed that she saw some black around the back side here. Well, what I didn't see in the instructions, which I didn't see in the instructions after even rereading it, that when you put this plate on, underneath here is a plate that locks down. This is just a cover. Well, on the bottom of the faucet here, you have lined little line things. So what has to happen is it has to line up. There's little sockets on the here that you'll see, but it has to line up. And I couldn't get it lined up. I couldn't figure out why. So what I had to do is I had to undo it underneath, lift it back up. Come to find out, the plate under here had to be turned completely around, and then it lines up because it should be flush. It should be flush under here, and it still should be able to rotate. You shouldn't see any black. She saw black under there, and she's very OCD. So figured it out, but yeah, you have to line it. Align it, and it's probably easier to have it outside, out of here first. Just put this on it, and then get the other plate under it, and then get it aligned. So if you put it back together and you see black under here, it's because you don't have it aligned right. So anyway, there we go. Beautiful, huh? Pull it right back out. Got little settings under there. Well, I can actually kink the hose. All right. There you go. The weight will send it back in. It's hot right now. Woo. In the middle. Now it's a medium warm. All the way over. It's cold. And then you can move it from one spot to the other. Okay. This is a Delta. run you about $200. And which one is it? The bottom of it. Delta Lewiston model, and so it looks like. I'm gonna get this put in next. The only thing is, you would normally have a spigot here. It would normally go right here. This is an osmosis spigot. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna drill a hole right here, and I'll put it over here. So there we go. The only bad thing about it is you can't hook anything up to it. Like in my case, I had my Tyant water system used to be hooked up under here, so I'm going to find another sink for it. So that's the only disadvantage to it. But you know, you get this option of pulling it out and putting it wherever you want. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe, because you have no idea what's coming next. Neither do I. Thanks again.